Welcome to our next guide on how to protect your personal photos. Whether it's sensitive information or just embarrassing selfies, we'll show you how to hide them from prying eyes. By keeping these private photos, you will feel more secure about your privacy. Many people may not know this function because sometimes you only use the delete function to hide it and do not use this hidden function. Today, let's get started. Step 1. Open Photo. Launch the Photos app on your iPhone. Step 2. Select Photo. Select the photo you want to hide. Step 3. Tap 3 dots. Find the 3 dots icon in a circle in the upper right corner of your screen. Step 4. Select Hide. Tap Hide from the options list. Step 5. Confirm. Confirm that you want to hide the photo. If you choose to delete a photo, after a while you will lose that photo. A completely deleted photo will remind you of it without any way to get it back. But after the function I just introduced to you, you won't need to worry about losing it anymore. You just need to hide it, then when you need it, you just take it out to use. Thank you for watching and see you soon.